my bike because I'm taking a bike ride with my brother Fabrice. We're going along the Promenade des Anglais, and it's quite fun because if people had come to visit me just some months ago, I would have been way less relaxed and able to come and do this on a Monday afternoon than I am now. But now I'm doing something you could call plugging in and plugging out. I was really inspired by a hangout I watched with some people doing really well with their businesses. One of the guys, Aaron Rushkin, was talking about how he's called the VAPOUR marketer because he comes in, does his stuff on his computer, does what he's got to do and leaves. And then he goes and does stuff with his family or goes to the gym, goes outside, does some sports every single day. I love that. So that's what I've done today. I plugged in this morning, did some work, got things done that I had to get done. It's actually very productive. And now I'm cycling beneath the palm trees. Yeah, okay, next to the main road, but still. And it's pretty cool. This is my brother. Hello. We're taking a break from cycling and admiring the view and looking at the mist on the hills.
Well, some folks they got money and some folks' lives are sweet. Some folks make decisions and some folks clean the streets. Now imagine what it feels like